How to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet to your bank account step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account or any other fund you want to transfer it to. So it's going to be very easy and very simple, and I'm going to walk you through it all. Just make sure to watch this video till the end and you're going to properly know how to transfer your funds from your Coinbase wallet to bank account. So first of all, there's two ways. You can either go to your basic coinbase.com account, which I'm going to go into right now, and you're going to sign yourselves in. Or what you can do is you can just add the Coinbase wallet extension to your Google or Opera or whatever you have. I'm just going to log in and quickly show you what it's really about. So this is basically my Coinbase wallet. So let's say I have some significant amount of funds over here. Now, once I have those funds, I can send it to another wallet, or let's say another fund transfer, but obviously I can't send it to a bank account. So to send it to your bank account, all you need to do is you're going to sign yourselves in. I'm going to do that really quick. Now, once you're here and you're logged in to your account, what you're going to need to do is, obviously there are many ways. You're going to go to your assets, and if you don't have any assets over here like me, you can just go into trade. And once you go into trade, you're going to see many different assets over here. So let's say you want to buy some Ethereum, or let's say Tether. You want to buy some Tether. You're going to click on that. And once you click on that, all you need to do is you're going to buy your Tether. And then you're just going to click on send and receive. Now, once you click on send and receive, obviously I don't have my account fully verified right now, but once you click on send or receive, you're just going to write some bank account over here or whatever you like. Or you can just go into the settings, and once you go into settings, you're going to go to payment methods, and you're going to click on add a payment method, and you're going to put in your bank account or whatever you have over there. It depends on your country. If a bank account isn't supported in your country, then it won't work. But yeah, that's the basic of how you can send your Coinbase wallet funds to any bank account. So yeah, that's all from me, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.